Can you contact AliExpress customer service with a phone number for free? Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're gonna find out if it's possible for you to contact customer service for AliExpress, a phone number with a free toll number. So if you're trying to look for a toll-free number to call customer service, there is unfortunately not a full toll-free phone number provided by AliExpress services. So you can contact them, however, using their live chat on the app or on the website. To contact them, you just have to head over to the account section at the bottom right corner of your app. Then you can just tap on the option 24/7 help service. Tap on the headphone icon at the top right corner, right besides the eye icon. It will open up your help center. Now, in order to contact with the live chat, tap on online service. Scroll down and tap on online service. And here you can just start a new chat. Ask for your question. So if you want help with the refund, just type in refund or something like that. And they should be able to guide you with the problem. You could also use their email support. So you can use their email address for general inquiries. You could also find some numbers for AliExpress. So if you just do a quick Google search right here, you can find the contact information on their page. Just tap on their page. And you can find different numbers here on their support page on other websites as well. So you can just give them a contact or a call on these numbers. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.